So if you want to easily connect your Binance, OKX or BYBIT address to the Hamster Kombat, it's very simple. You go to the airdrop session, then you select withdrawal. Then these are the exchanges that you can connect that needs KYC. Okay, that's the Binance, OKX, BYBIT. So if you don't have the Binance, OKX or BYBIT account, just check through the description. The link is there. Tap on any of the links to create a verified Binance, OKX and BYBIT account and use it to connect on the Hamster Kombat. So you can see that by default your airdrop wallet connection is on the on-chain airdrop. That's the Tokenkeeper. So if you want to change it to Binance, OKX or BYBIT, you go down, you see reset withdrawal option. You click on the reset withdrawal, then you click on reset and choose, click on OK. Then from there you select any of these. Okay, so the procedure you use for the Binance, OKX and BYBIT are the same, but with Binance you are not required to input your Binance user ID, but for the OKX and BYBIT you are required to input your BYBIT or Binance user ID. So for instance, if I select the BYBIT exchange, you click on yes, I have it. Then here you'll be required to input your BYBIT user ID, your Hamster deposit address and the memo. Okay, so you go to the BYBIT, then when you go to BYBIT, then you go to asset, click on asset, then you click on deposit, then you select deposit crypto. Then in the search bar you search for Hamster, HMSTR, search for it. So this is the Hamster tokens. You click on the Hamster, then you select ton, Hamster ton, you click on OK. So this is the deposit address. You copy it, then you see the memo or the tag, you copy the tag to as memo. Then with your BYBIT UID, you go back, go to home, then you see the head icon here, you click on it. Then this is your BYBIT user ID, that's BYBIT UID. You copy that one too, then you go back to the Hamster Kombat app on Telegram, your BYBIT user ID, your Hamster deposit address and the memo or the tag, and paste them here. The same applies to that of the OKX. So with the OKX too, you are required to input your OKX user ID, your Hamster deposit address and the memo or the tag, and the process that you follow to copy all this on the BYBIT are the same process you follow to copy on the OKX. So with that of the Binance, you just need the Hamster Kombat deposit address and the memo, as simple as that. So with the Binance exchange, I've copied it. Let me just do it for us to see. You input your Hamster deposit address and also the memo, you input it there, and you input the memo, which is 9 digits. Okay, then you click on save and choose. Then you see success, thanks. Okay, you click on thanks, go back, you see that your Binance exchange deposit for that of the Hamster has been selected, as simple as that. The most important thing is that you reset it and select any of them. So this is the step-by-step guide on how you can connect your Hamster deposit address on Binance, BYBIT or OKX, as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe.